Good day everyone. In this video lesson, we'll discuss all about bonds. So bibigyan ko muna kayo ng short introduction kung ano ba talaga yung bonds. So let's say yung company A, no, si company A gustong magtayo ng condominium. So to raise money for the construction of the condominium, so she offered bonds, okay? And then si Mr. X, okay, si Mr. X as a bondholder, so kukuha siya o magpapahiram siya ngayon ng pera kay company A with a face value, yung bonds with a face value ng 500,000 pesos na may time of maturity na 10 years. And then the coupon rate is 5%. So pag sinabi nating coupon rate, that is the interest na marireceive ni Mr. X kay company A. So habang during the purchase date or pro, yeah, sa during the purchase date and then the market the maturity date, si Mr. X ay makaka-receive ng 5% ng face value, which is 25,000 every year. So since if this is annually, so every year or once a year makaka-receive si Mr. X ng 25,000 mula kay company A. And then pagdating naman ng maturity date, ibabalik ngayon ni company A yung 500,000 ni Mr. X. So yan ang kaibahan ng bond sa stocks, kasi si stocks as investor or ang tawag sa kanila shareholders or stockholders, bumibili sila ng share ng company, and then meron na silang they are now the owner, so meron na silang ownership dun sa company. Hindi kagaya sa bonds, no, parang magpapahiram ka ng pera at dun sa pinahiram mong pera, may certain term na may agreement kayo with the company na hanggang ilang taon lang, and then yung pera mo tutubo about depende dun sa coupon rate. Okay? So, yan ang pagkakaiba ng bond sa stocks. Again, pag stocks, bumibili ka ng shares. Dito naman sa bonds, nagpapahiram ka ng pera. Alright? So, ito yung ibang terms in relations to bonds. So, this is in relation to bonds. So again, bond is the interest-bearing security which promises to pay, kung saan it is stated amount of money on the maturity date, and it is a regular interest payment called coupons. So yan yung sinasabi ko kanina, no? Yan yung marireceive mo aside doon sa face value or sa amount ng face value. Coupon is the periodic interest payment that the bondholder receives during the time between purchase date and the maturity date. Usually, it receives semi-annually. So, dito sa Philippine settings, so, twice a year, makaka-receive. Coupon rate is the rate per coupon payment period denoted by R. Price of a bond, the price of the bond at purchase time denoted by P. The par value or the face value, this is the amount payable or the maturity date denoted by F. So remember, so kapag yung price of a bond is equal sa face value, the bond is purchased at par value. At kapag yung price of a bond naman less than sa face value, so the bond is purchased at a discount. At kapag yung price of a bond naman is greater than sa face value, the bond is purchased at premium. Also, the term of a bond, it's a fixed period of time in years at which the bond is redeemable as stated in the bond certificate. It's a number of years from time of purchase to maturity date. The fair price bond is the present value of all cash inflows to the bondholder. So, ito yung mga different terms, no, in relation to bonds. Okay, for example, determine the amount of the semi-annual coupon for a bond with a face value of 300,000 pesos that pays 10% payable semi-annually for its coupons. So, the given, we have the face value that is 300,000 pesos, the coupon rate that is 10%, and we need to find the amount of the semi-annual coupon. So first, kunin muna natin yung kung magkano yung annual coupon amount. So that is 300,000 times the 10%, which is the coupon rate. So 300,000 times 0.10, the answer is 30,000. So ibig sabihin yung annual coupon amount niya ay 30,000. Since yung kinukuha natin is payable for semi-annually, so i-divide natin by 2 yung 30,000 and that is 15,000. Therefore, the amount of the semi-annual coupon is 15,000 pesos. Note that the coupon rate is used only for computing the coupon amount. Remember, it is usually paid semi-annually. It is not the rate at which money grows. Instead, current market conditions are reflected by the market rate and is used to compute the present value of the future payments. So remember that again, that the coupon rate is used only for computing the coupon amount usually paid semi-annually. So another example, suppose that a bond has a face value of 100,000 pesos and its maturity date is 10 years from now. The coupon rate is 5% payable semi-annually. Find the fair price of this bond, assuming that the annual market rate is 4%. So the given are, the coupon rate is 5%, which is payable semi-annually. And the face value, the amount of the face value is 100,000 pesos. The time of maturity is 10 years. The number of periods is 20. Why? Okay, since payable for semi-annually and then for 10 years. So total times 10, that is 20 periods. So ibig sabihin nun, 20 times siyang makaka-receive ng uh, 5% of the 100,000 pesos. So, and the market value, the annual market value is 4%, and kunin natin yung amount of semi-annual coupon since meron tayong 100,000 and then and that is payable for semi-annual, so twice a year. So 0.5 divide 2 times 100,000, that is 2,500. Ibig sabihin class, twice a year makaka-receive siya ng 2,500. So sa loob, ilang beses siya makaka-receive ng 2,500? 20 times. Therefore, the bondholder receives 20 payments of 2,500 pesos each and the 100,000 pesos at T is equal to 10. So, this is 10 years. So, yan, ganyan yung in-explain ko kanina sa unang slide. No? Aside from the face value, so makaka-receive ka. So, ibig sabihin yung pera na pinahiram mo, kikita yon, no? Kikita pa yon. Yung tinatawag nating interest. Depende din sa coupon rate. So, since ang kukunin natin dito is the fair price, okay? So, the fair price of this bond, so kunin natin yung present value nung 100,000. So, using the formula, F over 1 plus I raised to N. So, substitute lang natin dito sa formula. So, yung I natin dito is, so ano ba yung rate natin? That is 0.05 over 1. So, that is, again, so yung interest rate natin dito, so yung M natin dito, since dito pala tayo, present value of 100,000, so the annual market rate is 4%, kaya 0.04, and that is annual, so yung M natin dito is 1. So yung R natin is 0.04 divide 1, so still 0.04. Raised to O, 10. So that is 10 years. No? M is 1, and then yung T natin is 10. So 1 times 10, kaya 10. Then use your scientific calculator to compute the present value of 100,000. So the answer is 67,556.42. Ito yung present value sa 100,000. Ngayon, kunin natin yung present value ng 20 payments for every 2,500. So using the formula, so kailangan natin kunin yung equivalent rate. So yun muna ang gagawin natin. Kunin natin yung equivalent rate ng 4% to semi-annual rate. Okay, yun ang gagawin natin. So on our previous video lesson, ginamit na natin yung formula na to. So yung M sub 2 natin dyan is yung 1. That is the 4%, and yung M sub 1 natin is that the 5%. So tingnan natin. So again, so yung ang M sub 2 pala natin is the frequency conversion, kung saan that is the annual, no? Annual, kaya 1 lang yung M sub 2 natin. Yung M sub 1 naman natin, that is semi-annually, so kaya 2. So substitute lang natin sa formula natin, that is 1 plus 0.04 divide 1 raised to 1 half minus 1. And then use your scientific calculator. The answer is 0.0198039. So kagaya nga ng sinasabi ko sa inyo, pag kukunin yung interest rate or yung equivalent rate, dapat 8 decimal places lagi para safe tayo dun sa final answer natin. So since ang kasunod dito, kapag yung mamit kayo ng scientific calculator 0, so hindi ko na nilagay. And to solve the present value of 20 payments, so we can use this formula. So the regular payment na 2,500 times 1 minus 1 plus the value of I raised to negative 20. So this is the value of N, 20 periods, no? Over the value of I, use your scientific calculator. So the present value of 20 payments of 2,500 pesos each is 40,956.05. So kung kukunin natin yung fair price of this bond, so add lang natin yung dalawa. And that is 67,556.42 plus 40,956.05 is equal to 108,512.47. So thus the price of 108,512.14 is equivalent to all future payments assuming an annual market is 4%. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo for more video tutorial. This is your guide in learning your math lesson, your Wow Math channel.